Okay, we're in a street called Praia de Manduco. Praia means beach. The street of the beach of something. Anyways, we're going to be focusing on that, so stay tuned. Let's go check out the road. So we are in Rua do Praia do Manduco. So we're going to be going straight up this street. And before we go up, let's take another street over there. Before we go up, we're just going to show you the context of a little bit. Macau City Blocks, Japanese restaurant. This policeman was writing tickets for, so they were trying to scramble to get out of here because they're all illegally parked and blocking the street. So it's kind of funny watching them run to their cars. I didn't quite capture that, but it's okay though. Kind of capture that too. Then we're gonna kind of go up this street. Let me just see. Could go up that side or this side. I think what we'll do is go down this side. Okay, so let's just check everything out. Little clothing store, boutique. I think this is a Taobao store here. So they'll sell, it's like a, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know what that one was. Oops, more of the same. Small businesses. Okay, let's just kind of go up and check it all out. I'm going to try to get to the left side because I think it's more interesting to film. The right side has a lot of cars all parked up and down there. So let's go down that way. This is a street that I just filmed a couple times. It's quite interesting. But today we're just going to go up this street instead. And yeah, this one, there's yeah, that one is kind of interesting. So that street is Praia de Claridade. I've filmed that one before. There's a couple walking on that street trying to go on a bike, so I don't want to carry my camera looking like I'm following them, so I won't focus on that street. I did film this one before. I went all the way down and had a nice interaction at the corner there. So yeah, today's a Sunday. It's funny, the more that you start filming a city, the more you start seeing all the stuff that you filmed before and kind of putting everything together. So it's funny now when I talk to people, I can tell they don't really know the city at all, and some of them have lived here for a long time. And I've always walked around a lot anyway, so I just started walking around with the camera instead. That's kind of interesting. Then you walk around with the camera and then you kind of start putting, there's a Sunsco supermarket. Then you start putting things together more because I'm focusing on street signs. That one is, that's kind of a cool place. What's that called? Mandarin House. So that's the, this is one side of the Mandarin House right there. But you wouldn't be able to tell from this side of the street very easily. These are all storm guards from the typhoon, so storm surge comes up and they put these up, and then this way storm surge flooding can't, you know, to be all blocked, so it won't be able to go higher than that. So you'll see that all over the city. I think the city gave it away to businesses just to protect a lot of the economy and money of the city, right? It's kind of cool. Somebody goes out like that on their bike. I think that's probably that place right there. Got some eggs and things like that. Okay, and we're gonna keep walking, and then this area we go into like a street market. It's kind of cool stuff all over the place in this area, so I'm glad to be filming over here today. I got a little flower shops right here. Those look pretty cool. Hello. Oh, thank you. It's nice. Thank you. So, I guess if I was doing a YouTube video where I was filming me getting flowers, this would be the place. It's nice. Didn't know that was here. Little area, corner. So we're gonna keep on filming. I think we're gonna try to cross the street, and there's kind of a little market area in here. There's a name for it. I forget the name, but it's all the fruits and stuff. So let's go across. I think this is called the street of the broken, that breaks your back. There's like a name to it. Escada Quebra Costa, like the stairs that break your back. So I guess this has some kind of historical name, which is kind of interesting as well. Hello. Okay, let's just kind of check everything out here. Some fruits, clothing. So there we go. There's people always kind of sit right here and hang out. It's kind of cool spot. Okay, so we'll probably end this video when we get to the construction spot right here. I always kind of like filming in this area. It's an interesting area to film. Check out that building right there, right? And there's, okay. And we'll just kind of cross the street right here. There we go. So then we kind of got that little market that's filmed right there, and then we'll kind of show you all the way down on that side too. Okay, so that's that street right here. Hope you like this one. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da